minimum effort, maximum result. Let's try some 5-minute hair hacks. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is trying 5-minute craft hair hacks. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share, comment down below. So we see these hair and beauty hack videos all over the internet. Heatless curls with socks, with foam, throw coconut oil on everything. We've all seen them. So, 5 Minutes Crafts just released another beauty and hair hacks video. So I was like, okay, cool, let's try that together here and see if some of these hacks, 5 of these hacks, are worth giving a shot or if we can kiss them goodbye. Okay, so first up, first hair hack, we have a blonde. She's pouring what I assume is purple hair dye into her brush and just brushing it into the hair. It doesn't really look like it's saturating the under layer, but then when she flips her hair up, everything's smothered and covered. Let's try it. Okay, cool. No tint brushes, no gloves, no bowls. We're just gonna pour some color in a brush. All right, I got my brush, I got my color. I'm using Arctic Fox Electric Paradise. We're just trying to use this one up after the last couple of videos we've done. Any products that I may use in this video, I'm gonna link down below. You can go ahead and hit that affiliate link. Help me help you bring you more videos. Yes, okay, so she just poured it into the brush. Okay, then she just, oh, there's a mirror on the back of this. Oh, I'm so sorry. Brush, brush, brush. I don't like how it's just gooping off the end, but okay. But it doesn't really, see, her root was done. I guess if you maybe get in there with the flinging color. Okay. I have thoroughly brushed it in, more so than she showed us in the video. We're gonna set our gal aside for a little bit and let that sit. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We're gonna see how hack number 1 rinses out. Okay, hack number 2, here we go. Appears to be a struggle, and okay, we're gonna grab a pencil. Just gonna work it through the front, pull out some pieces. Okay. I guess she has a bobby pin, pin it back. Okay, that kind of looks messy, but let's roll with it. Let's give that a shot. Let's grab ourselves a bobby pin. All right. Here we go. So she was going this way. I'm going to be your hands. Yeah, okay. It's not the cleanest way to grab hair. I would say a chopstick might be a better way to go with this, but okay, it twists it back. Here we go, and then we pull some pieces. Here we go. Grab our pin. I mean, yeah, it's not super cute, but oh god, the one pin is not gonna do it for me. We're gonna up that hack. We're gonna do 2 pins, cross them. I don't know about this one. I think I could kiss this one goodbye. Here we go, hack number 3. We're going to grab, all right, so she's got longer hair, some what look like clip-in pieces. Okay. All right, so it's like a little modified scarf braid. Let's give it a shot. Okay, starting with our little half pony. Great. Awesome. Now, we need a scarf. Okay, she Okay, so we're tying a knot. I really couldn't see me being able to do this on myself. This is already kind of turning into a mess. Like, where does all this end up? Does that go into it? No, we're done with this one. We're done with, I don't like it. Nope. Nope. Hack number 3, scarf braid thing. I don't know, maybe I'll try it again at some point, but I just don't think this hack is for me. So moving on to hack number 4. We are going to stay with our lady. What are we doing here? She's in her cozy bathrobe. I want it curly. Okay, that's the rope from her bathrobe. She's just wrapping everything back around the bathrobe tie, okay? Spritz, spritz, spritz. I don't know why she didn't get it wet first. Now we're gonna rock some Princess Leia buns. Wait 1 hour. Take it out. Okay, let's try it, but I don't know if those curls are gonna last all night. Okay, so we have our bathrobe rope. It's actually my husband's. I stole it because mine is like silky and would just slide right off. Okay, and then she just... Okay, easy enough. You just kind of gather the pieces as you're going back. Gather all that length, bring it forward. She didn't use a clip, but I have the urge to like use a clip. Follow your instincts. Baby. Hang out there. Same thing, other side. Oh God, I almost started braiding it. Okay. We're wrapping it backwards. We're wrapping it backwards. Okay, got it all wrapped. Okay. We're gonna spritz that down. And then we're going to wrap it. Sweet Princess Leia buns. Okay, I think we got her. Okay, I don't know about an hour. Let's see if this one works. Unwrap. I mean, kinda, but it's not that cute. It's not very consistent. It's very flat right here. I got a few little crinklies. I'm gonna say we can kiss the robe tie hack goodbye. Okay, don't go anywhere. Next up, we have a hack that was all the rage for me in middle school. The zigzag parts. Love this. All you're gonna need is a comb. Comb right on down, ziggity, ziggity, ziggity. Split, tie it off, and you got some zigzag piggy tails. Let's do it. Got my comb. I'm gonna comb through these robe tie. Not amazingly adorable, but okay, I see how they could function. It's just so flat. So flat. Okay, straight on down. Ziggity, 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 ziggity. Split. Zigzag part. We could have been a little neater with that. Is it the best zigzag? No. But it's kind of cute. It's a little cute. Maybe I can do a little better. That's better. Nice little zigzag part. You know, we used to just draw it in though. We would like take a pencil and be like, all right, this way, this way, this way, this way. Same kind of deal. Cute. So, okay, I'm gonna say zigzag, comb, shimmy. Yeah, it is a zigzag. You just gotta kind of be precise where you're putting that comb if you're like looking for a specific design. But yeah, I'm gonna say zigzag part hack. I am happy to see this. And I'm gonna give it, my kiss of approval. We didn't forget about hack number 1, did we? So at the beginning of this video, we tried hack number 1. We just put some semi-permanent hair color in a wide bristle paddle brush and just combed it right on through some hair. I went ahead and rinsed out that mannequin and dried her up. Let's see the end result. I'm not mad at it. I could see this being a nice color refresh. If you're already blonde or if you're like, I don't know, I just need to touch up the paint, just brush it in real quick before you hop in the shower, great. What I don't like about it, if this was an all over application, I don't like that you don't get the root with just the paddle brush. And those underneath layers don't get as well saturated as the top layer of hair where you're just brushing that through. So yeah, I could see this. This is, you know what, I'm gonna say this hack works. Cause, you know what, refresh your color with your hairbrush. I think that's a solid idea. Just make sure you are going through the hair smart with that brush. I know it's got color on it, but maybe brush your hair up before you throw the color on it. Start at your ends, work your way up, be gentle with your hair, throw that color on, brush it through, why not? Great, I am going to say, hack number 1, great. Pencil hack, it wasn't adorable, but it worked. It did get the hair out of the face. It did what it was meant to do. Shwip, 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 quick and easy. Scarf hack, I wasn't a fan. Maybe I need a fatter scarf to try it with. I'll try it again at another point because it could be kind of cute. But for me, that hack didn't quite work out today. Didn't quite land. Kiss that one goodbye. Zigzag part, love it. Absolutely love it. And the rope tie, yes, let's not forget about the rope tie curls. Wasn't a big fan on that one. Again, it left us kind of flat here with the way it was applied. Maybe if those buns were higher, we could get some volume right at the root before that low roll. Did it give a curl? Yes. Heatless curl? Yes. Maybe sleep on it? I don't know. I'm not gonna get behind that one. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for joining me while we did 5-minute craft hair hacks. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share, comment down below if you've tried any of these hair hacks, or if you've tried that heatless sock hack. I think maybe I want to try that. So if you'd like to see that video, comment down below. Any products that I used in this video, I'm gonna link those affiliate links right down in the description box. You can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Give your hair a kiss. You can check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, book an appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth. We'll have a great time. But until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.